Hi, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials and darrenO'Neill.eu. I recently received a comment asking me to detail what I would consider the best CentOS learning resources that are available on the internet today. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you the kind of the top 5 resources that I use for CentOS tutorials. So I'm going to step through them now. Okay, so I have a couple of tabs open here, and the first one I have open is howtoforwards.com tutorials/CentOS. I find this really good, lots of tutorials, and you can really get your hands dirty and actually try to kick off and learn a few bits by doing. One of my other go-to places is the DigitalOcean CentOS tutorials. Again, I'll leave all these links below, so you can just grab them and you can step through them. But the CentOS tutorials on DigitalOcean are great. Some of them are a little bit old, but you can sort by most recent, and as you can see, like there's ones being updated all the time. Another one, shameless plug, is for my own YouTube channel. There's tons of CentOS videos. If you search for CentOS, you'll see that there's tons and tons of videos. And again, they're all practical, hands-on examples, learn by doing. And that's really the main thing. It is learning by doing. The other one, let's not forget, is the actual official CentOS documentation. So on the CentOS website, they have a wiki that they maintain, which gives you tons and tons of information around CentOS, which is really, really good. If you're looking for something that you'll actually pay for, I always like checking Udemy. Udemy have really good deals on courses, and some of the stuff is really good quality and really good value. And it's always worth checking out Udemy, particularly if you get one of these good deals. And last but not least, let's not forget that within CentOS itself, if you're using the command ls, and I want to know a little bit more about ls, don't be afraid to use the man pages. So man ls, and you can see I have tons of information here about how I can use the ls command and additional pieces I can add into it. So that's a really short video on my top 5 CentOS learning resources. I do hope that was helpful. If you know of any other resources that I haven't included, please do comment below and let other people know. And thank you for watching. Thanks.